Hello. So welcome back once again. So this is a lecture 2 of our SQL series. So in previous lecture, we have discussed this like till what is like delete, truncate, and drop, and all the statements. So in this lecture, we are trying to see the difference between where. So like where we have to discuss the what is the use cases of the where, and we have the having clause. Okay, so I'm writing in capital, so don't write. So for the better, we have to write in the capital letters. So where, and we have the having. So use cases of the these two. Okay, so first of all, see the use cases of the where is that where is like filter row before grouping. So it will do like filtering things. Where are you using for the filtering before grouping? Okay, filtering before grouping, and filter type is like it's based on the row label like filter, and applied like it can be applied before. So we can use this before by the like we are using the another command, that is group by. Okay, so you can use this where statement, where clause before this group by. Okay, and then we have a having clause. Okay, having this command. Okay, so this can be filter after grouping. So this can be used after grouping, and we can say that this is like group level group level filtering things. Okay, group level filtering things, and it can be applied by like it can be applied after, like it can be applied after group by. Okay, so you can use this group after group by. Okay, after, and this can be used before. This is the one difference. So how can I write? So if I want to write a sample code, so let's see how it's look like. So okay, so first of all, I have to write a select select, and like we want to select what? I want to select like name. I want to select name, salary. Okay, name, salary. Okay, from where? From I have to select from this employee table. Okay, so employees table. After that, where? So this the use cases of the where is used here. Okay, so where like salary is the filtering thing, where salary is greater than 500. Okay, so this is, you can see here. So I'm writing this statement. I want the name of the person, salary of the salary, name and the salary from employee table, from the where employee table, where the where the salary is given. So this is used to filter the thing. Okay, and what is the use cases of the uh, like uh, like what is this another having clause? Okay, so let's see having clause use cases. So you can write here. Okay, I can write select like I want department department and the average salary, department salary, and using the average. So in that case, if you want the average of the salary, so you can use average, AVG, of the salary, and and after that I can also if and traded all salary as like average salary. Okay, treated as an average salary, and from the table, like from employee table, from employee table, and that it can be used before. So like having clause, in having clause, the first thing is that I group all the departments. So like I group all the departments. So group by group by, like I want to group by the department. Then I am using this filtering thing, having, okay, having where average salary, having where the average of this salary is greater than 500. Okay, so you can see here. So first of all, what are the things I am averaging and like making a one table for this one. Okay, so I'm making one table for this one, and from the employee table, and I first use group by before, group by department, and I use having clause here. Okay, so you can use after group by, and it is also used for the filtering. Okay, filtering this the data. Okay, filtering the data are used. Okay, then where clause are filtering applied before grouping, and in having it apply after this aggregation result. Okay, now move to the next part. That is next part, that is like joins. What is joins in detail? Like this is all about. So you can say this is all about the having and where clause. Now move to the joins. Okay, so let's write joins in SQL. What are the joins in the SQL? So let's see. So joins in the SQL are used to combine the data from two or more tables. So like combining, please combine the data, from, if you have from the one table, yeah, two table. Okay, based on the related column between them. So we have types of join. First of all, we are talking about the, that is inner. So inner join. Okay, then it is outer join. And then the next is that the right join, RIGST, right join, left join. Okay, left join. Then is like self join, and like cross join. Okay, so these are the different type of join available in the SQL. So let's see like one by one what are the use cases of all this one. So when we're talking about the inner join, okay, when we're talking about the inner join, let me erase. Okay, so when you're talking about the inner join, so inner join, what are written all the matching from the both row. So just treat as a, this is the one, this is the one table data, and this is the another table data. Okay, this is A and this is B. Okay, and this part is known as the inner join. Return only matching rows from both tables. So these are the matching rows. Okay, we can tell him that it is a matching row. Okay, and the next part is right when you return only matching row. This is called as a inner join. And what is the outer join? So return all the rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. Okay, so okay, so outer join. So we have also outer join, but not discussed here. Like in case of outer join, so you can, like, we can stroke. So like in the place you can write as a, can write here like full join. Okay, so full join. Okay, so I left this one. Okay. So inner join is completed. So now move to the next part is that is talking about the uh, this full join. So return all the rows from both the tables. Okay, matching, non-matching. So full join mean like we have like two table. Okay, okay, and all the contents like matching, non-matching, all this thing. This is called full join. Okay. What is like it, this part is completed full join. What is the right join? So when we talk right join, so we have like table one, first table, and this is the second table, and this is the matching part. Okay. When we talk about the right join, so return all the like right join, return all the row from the right table. So it will return. So it will return right join. So it will return all the things. Okay, and return all like rows from the right table and matching row from the left table. So this is the matching row from the left table. So this is called the right join. Okay, and the next is that left join. Similarly, the left join look like similarly same. We have like one table and two tables. So this is the matching part. Okay, so in that case, so it will return the all the data from the like left table and the matching part from the right table. Okay, so this is clear, like the right join and the left join is clear. Okay, what is a self join? So like joins join a table with itself. So like the joining the table with itself is known as self join. Cross join like return the Cartesian product of the both product. Okay, so in this like it will return. So like cross join mean that it return. So it return the Cartesian Cartesian product of both table of. Okay, so this is what are like different type of join we are seeing. Okay, what are the different type of join we have seen. Okay, so now move to the next. Now move to the next part, that is like detailed explanation that what is left join and how I write thing. Okay, so like in joins we can first the first topic is that first of all we are talking about the inner join. Okay, so we're talking about the inner join. Let's see what is the inner join. So talking about the inner join, so we can say that a inner join is used to combine rows from the two table on the matching condition. It's like it all talking about the like we have whenever see the matching condition, then in that case we are using this like inner join. Okay, and if it return only those record, it return only those record where the specific condition is true in the both table. Okay, so if a both table is like giving the uh, a matching condition, in that case we are like returning. So this is record. So this is the matching condition in the both table. Okay, you can see this part is a matching condition from the both table. We have the table A and this table B. Okay, so let's see. And the key feature is matching rows from both table. Ignore the unmatched row. Okay, and most common use type of this row. Okay, so how can I write this code? How can I write the code for this one? So first of all, I write to select. Okay, select. What is you have to select from like particular column. So like in table one dot column 1. So in that case we have some column 1 and we have to select that table 2 dot column 2. Okay, from we have like from a table like I have to join with this with this. So from table 1. Okay, table 1 and from table 1 inner join. So inner join. So like inner join with what? Which table? Table 2. Like inner join with table 2. Okay, on. So what is the feature? We have to like on on the what basis? Okay, so table one dot column, like common column. So we can write like we have a common column. So like common CC, I am writing CC is equal to, okay, table 2 dot CC common column. Okay, so this is the like what this is the structure of the structure of this like code for this part, like inner join. Okay, you can write code for it. Example, this is like a what is the this is blueprint how we write the inner join. Okay, you can write a select employees name and department. From department table you can find department name. From the employee inner join with department on this like employment department ID. So I can write, so like, so in short I have to write this like we have to write this select. Okay, select what we want from this like employee. We have the employee table in which I want name. Okay, I want name. And in department I want department name. Okay, I department name. Okay, from this table like from, okay, from this table which is inner join with it, which is inner join with what? Inner join with this table, department table. So I write department table on the basis of what? On the basis of like employee having this department ID, DPID. Okay, and this like employee department also having the DPID. Okay, so this is the like a example. This is the example for this like inner join. You can understand all this thing. Matching condition, I want matching condition, this will return. So this query return, so what is the like, what is the value, what is the return things? Okay, so if I want to see the what is the value return, so in that the return value is that this query return that employee name along with their department ID, where the department ID are common. Name with department ID that are common. Okay, that are common. Okay, from the board table, from the board table. So this is the use cases of the inner join. Okay, let's move to the another, that is left join. Okay, so right, so like the second join is that LFT left join. Okay, let's see what are the use cases. So left join is used to return all the records from the, so we can say that we want all the records. Okay, so all the record from the left side. So all record from the like from the left side. So left side, or you can say the left table, and matching record from the right side, and matching from right side. Okay, right side. Okay, so like we have this table 1, this table 2. Okay, and it will return whole part of the left. Okay, this left table, and the common part from this matching table. Okay, you understand? So this is called a left join. Okay, so like return all the like rows from the left table, and return the matching row from the right table, and display null for the non-matching rows, all this thing. Okay, so let's see the what is the like sample code for this one. So if you want to like generate left join, so we have to simply write like select. I want to like select from like from the table 1, I want select column, some column 1. Okay, and from the table 2, table 2, I want some like some column, columns 2. And now I am like doing the left join from table 1 doing the left join with this table 2 on the basis of what? On the basis of the like common, like on the basis of the column common part. Okay, the table 1 dot common column or table 2 dot common column. Okay, so this will return, this is the like this is what we have there, the blueprint of this one. So this is like blueprint. Okay, this is the blueprint for this whole table. So let's see, this is like in previous example, if we have seen, like in select employee name and department, like department name from the employee table. In that case of, like, we have to like left join and the common part of this one. Okay, so after writing the left join query, so what will the like return type? So like return type, for a return type we are expecting the return type we are expecting that like return all the employees from the left table. Okay, in the employee table, so we can set in a, so all datas, all records from the employee table. Okay, and and the matching, like all the common or matching from the department side. Okay, similarly for this, like move to the next, similarly for the next, that is like talking about the right join. So in right join, we simply write in the place of left, you have to write rigst right join on the basis of something. And this will, like, this is the whole table look like. So in that case, we have to return the matching part from this left table. Okay, and the whole right table are displayed. Okay, same as the earlier one. Okay, this query return all the name from all the department name. So this is like employee and this is the department. Okay, so it will display all the department name and just like matching. And if no employee is like assigned a department, then employee name will be displayed as a null. Okay, and you also know about this like full join. Okay, like you have also known about the full join. Okay, so full join, like it a common, like it combine the both tables. So it is like a full join is like combination of the left join plus right join. It is a combination of left join and right join. So it will return all the record from the both tables. So it will return the record from the both table. So with the matching rows from the both table are available. So if there are no matching, then the result will be like null, all the thing. Okay. So this query will return all the employee name and department, including those who are matching or non-matching. Okay. A self self join is used for like combined with the own, like same table. Okay, so self join is a type of join where the table is joined with itself to compare the row within the same table. Okay, and it is used when a table contain a hierarchical relationship. Okay, cross join is a Cartesian product of two tables. So like fifth, like we have like fifth is a cross join. Okay, so like you know that this is the like Cartesian product of the both the table. Okay, like Cartesian product mean that mean like rows is equal to like rows of table 1 multiplied with like rows of table 2. So this is what we have in this one. Okay, this is all we want. Okay, so like in this, like no need to write the condition. So in this you don't need to write the condition. Okay, so in this we simply write the code like this one. So for the cross join, we are writing the code. So select. Okay, I'm selecting the like employee name from the employee, like employee dot name and department dot department ID. So department name. Okay, from employee table cross join. Okay, cross join with this department. Okay, This is all like what this query will return. So you can say that this after the return, what will it return? So it will return all possible combination, all possible combination. Okay, it return all the possible combination of like employee and department with every pair of every department. Okay, so this is all about the joins we have. Okay, and let's move to the next part, that is what is union. Okay, next topic is like what is union and union all. So let's see one by one. So when we're talking about the union, so union like remove the duplicate rows. Okay, so it will like remove the duplicate row. Okay, duplicate row. Okay, and the union all like include the duplicate all, like include all the duplicate rows. Okay, and slower but duplicate removal. So like first case it is slower. Okay, faster because no duplicate is like allowed. So it one is like it is the faster because no duplicate is like allowed. Okay, and automatically sort the result. So it's like automatically sort all like all the result set, and like it does not sort, it simply include. So like it's not like unsorted, it is unsorted. And like syntax, you know that the union is used like so how we do union. So like if you want to do union, so for the union, what is the code for this one? So like you have to write like for the union you have to put like select. Okay, select the column 1 from table 1. Okay, table 1, and then union, I want to like join this one, union with which select column 1 from this table 2. Okay, so it's include the duplicate row and allow sorter and automatically sort the result. Okay, and for this one simply what this query, so what this query result. So when we're talking about what this query result, so it combine, so this query combine in like all this employees. Okay, employee and manager name without duplicate. One second, like okay. So like it duplicate, like it like allow column name without any duplicate. So in this case, what is the feature is that without duplicate. Okay, and if you use union all, so like duplicate are allowed. The duplicate like a query combine like a duplicate allow. Okay, this query combine employee and manager name including their duplicates. Okay, so what is the difference between this thing? Okay, so duplication is allowed. Okay, like in this we can see that this duplication is allowed. Okay, slower sorting, you can automatically sort here, but sorting is not allowed in this case. Okay, use for the duplicate data is not required. So what is the use cases for this one? So you can say that it can be used when this duplicate data is not allowed. Okay, not allowed if you don't like want. Okay, and this use when duplicate data are needed to preserve. Okay, so you know the syntax like from table 1, like from table 1 you can find this thing and write union. Okay, this is all the syntax. Okay, so like wrapping up this SQL, so like this is all about in this lecture. So what we will study in the next lecture, So this is the SQL lecture 2. So we completed all this, like we completed the union and having differences and types of join we have studied. Okay. So in next lecture we are like talking about it, like all the normalization, all this like database thing. Okay. So what is like normalization, normalization, and what are different type of normalization, types of types. Okay. See the type, what are different type, and what denormalization, what is a denormalization. Then see like difference between car, character, and the var car. Okay. Then let's see the difference between these things. Okay. In SQL, non-SQL. Okay. Auto increment, how to do auto increment. Okay. So this is like these things we have to see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you for like joining this session. Bye bye.